Thank you. How are you all doing? I had the pleasure of dining with many of you last night, which was great fun. You all enjoyed your feed? No one's got food poisoning? Everyone's good today? Good. Well, that was the opening track from our brand new album. We've had 2 albums to date so far, and thankfully both been award-winning albums at various different levels, and we've just released our 3rd album just at Celtic Connections in January 2017, which will be available in the foyer after this. And that was the opening track, a track called Fiasco. And we're going to continue with that theme just now and give you another one from the brand new album. And I'm going to let Ewan tell you a little bit about this Gaelic song.
We're going to sing you a Gaelic song all about the island of Islay. Have any of you heard of Islay or been to Islay before? There's bound to be a couple of whiskey fans in any given room. Islay's the island now famous for having loads of fantastic whiskey distilleries. But this song goes back to a time about 150 years ago when lots of people were thrown off Islay. They had to leave their homes, and many of them ended up in America and Canada. But this was about 150 years ago. There was a man from Islay was living in Glasgow, and he'd ordered a roll of tweed to be made in Islay, and it got sent down to him in Glasgow. And as he was writing a thank you letter to the lady who'd made the tweed for him, he suddenly started thinking of all the kind of terrible misfortunes that had befallen his people in Islay, and the thank you letter turned into quite an angry song instead. So this is called Fís chun a Bhairst, or A Message to the Bard, and it's all about that.
Vatin sellet krianach gure Linie schleuen chichen on the huni stream and spear How long the hedges give us chachus skis yerita Maar a huar so chonig mische Torsten nisha chunavast Sjo krune masche vius and changed and cheer of red and bone Glín an wacan huacne chans a cús a búad na pód Le píche búad an géf charom mar an jéle cach Mar a huad sa chunig mise Had an físe chuna bhairst Had an físe chuna bhairst Had an físe chuna bhairst Mar a huad sa chunig mise Had an físe chuna bhairst Nugus gaten kléine flús as the bhád lá Hier spréie hanís dúlt man the gamla fó A híle dúgan deire Chun a bhairte fas Mar a huar sa chunig mise Had an físe chuna bhairst Had an físe chuna bhairst Had an físe chuna bhairst Mar a huar sa chunig mise Had an físe chuna bhairst Get a hugger leat na halans clúd The feich na Brachtig vreugd en dieren, als je eens getjeerd elkaar. Schap me hier aan het hart, de varkje, schoon naar gaan in alle de nacht. Maar hoe het zo kon ik misje, had een visje groene waars, had een visje groene waars, had een visje groene waars. Maar hoe het zo kon ik misje, had een visje groene waars, had een groene baars, had een visje groene baars. Maar een woord dat kon ik misje, had een visje groene baars. goed waar het feitje hoe kan je van die wonen het licht naar kaig boy maar sal niet naar hoe zo kon ik missen had een visje kunnen was na je terke vastgeknapen als het was geschiet als gewacht is je voorgekeken geiles kies aan daar recht geloven heer de woorden van de naast de bierboren kon ik missen had een visje kunnen was had een visje kunnen was had een visje kunnen was maar een woordje kon ik missen had een visje kunnen was had een visje kunnen was had een visje kunnen was maar een woordje kon ik missen